If you want to be the next top CEO and big shot, billionaire, then you better start working out like one. Hey folks, Dr. Bobby Striker here with 3F Flow Physique Factory. Clinic is in session, but before we get into it, please remember to like our video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell button for notifications, and drop us a comment to make our videos easier to find by fellow fitness enthusiasts. Now, okay, listen, this is interesting. We all have the same 24 hours per day. Yeah, 24 hours per day. It doesn't matter where you are in the world, doesn't matter who you are, anywhere on this planet, we all have 24 hours per day. But some of us will say we don't have enough time to take care of ourselves. We don't have the time to take care of this one body that we're given for life. We don't have time to eat well. We don't have time to exercise. But on the other hand, some of the most successful people in the world, people who during those same 24 hours are working harder than you, yeah, it's true, they're creating huge business empires, they're taking care of their families and thousands of employees. And guess what? They're also taking care of themselves too. So why can they do it? Why can these people who are infinitely busier than us do it and we can't? Okay? I mean, it's going to come down ultimately to your mindset. That's how it is. The world's top CEOs, they are mostly not born rich, successful. They worked hard, they hustled, they fought to get every last drop out of every second of every single day. Now, it's not really like what the movies show where the rich people are like villains. They're trying to kick down the little guy. A lot of the time, they were the little guy in the first place. And now, through hard work, blood, sweat, and tears, the kind of hard work most of us don't really want to do, they have managed to make something of themselves. You know, most people complain about it and say, oh, look, they just got lucky. It's because of that or this or whatever. No, it's usually because they did what the most of us are not really willing to do, you know, put in that amount of effort. And unfortunately, a lot of parallels can be seen looking at the habits of people who get fit and those who don't, okay? Now, research by the US-based Center for Creative Leadership, CCL, revealed that many people perceive that overweight executives are less effective at interpersonal relationships in the office, have poorer job performance, and less leadership ability. Now, whether that's actually true or not is another matter entirely, but like it or not, people see you with less leadership potential and less potential for success if you're overweight. So if you're looking to build your own company or succeed in the workplace, it's something to take note of, okay? So now I'm gonna share some messages from some of the world's top CEOs in the hope of kind of inspiring you to do what it takes to kind of get the results you deserve, okay? So first up, billionaire Richard Branson. You've heard of him, right? You know Richard Branson. He's the founder of Virgin Group. He's pretty famous, and he's one of these kind of fitness guys. He's really into fitness. He's a fitness fanatic. And I'm going to quote him. He's done a few interviews and podcasts and all this. And he says that the key for everybody is sticking with it. We all know that kind of feeling of the high we get when we do an hour of exercise. And he said he never wants to stop getting that wonderful kind of endorphin rush. And he goes on to say, it's easy to slip into a not today, I'll do it tomorrow mindset. But you have to keep going even when you don't feel like it. Yeah. In previous blogs, he said that he seriously doubted if he would have been as successful in his career and happy in his personal life if he hadn't always placed importance on his health and fitness. He says, I've always believed that the fitter you are and the more time you find to look after yourself, the more time you'll have for everyone else. Okay, so pretty powerful words. Is there anyone else? Who's up next? What about Jeff Bezos? Who's he? You must know of Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon. You know, I think he's probably one of the richest guys in the world. Now, the guy is a fitness buff. He recently made the headlines because he was seen topless on his yacht while in his late 50s. And he was there looking pretty shredded, looking ripped, probably putting folks half his age to shame. If you want to get this kind of life, you got to work hard, you got to play hard. You can't sacrifice things. You want something to happen, you got to make it happen. Now, how about Facebook? Okay, love him or hate him, Mark Zuckerberg, CEO of Facebook, Meta, and all of that, he sings the same tune. Yeah. So during an online Q&A, he went on to say that staying in shape is very important. Doing anything well requires energy, and you just have a lot more energy when you're fit. So again, if you're gunning to be the next big shot, but your body is not fit enough to keep up with the demands that the journey to success puts on your body, then you might not be able to cut it. Yeah? Getting into shape and staying in shape should be high up on your agenda if you want to make it. It's going to help you not just physically, but essentially mentally too. Okay? Next up, we've got Apple. Yeah? Tim Cook, Apple CEO, is another one. Yeah, you're going to start seeing a trend. In an interview with CNBC, he revealed that he wakes up at 4 a.m. every day. Then he hits the gym and works out for an hour in order to keep fit and stay healthy. And he's in his late 60s. Yeah. What other big companies are there? What about Twitter? Yeah. Founder and former Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey is another one. He'd wake up at 4 a.m., spend 2 hours meditating every day, and then walk 5 miles to Twitter's headquarters. Are you seeing a kind of trend here? Yeah, now, how about a final kind of honorable mention? The Rock, Dwayne Johnson, hardest worker in the room, he calls himself. He's famous for getting up at 4 a.m. to hit the gym and get a head start on the day and everyone else. Now, the reality is that you don't have to get up 4 a.m. That's usually when I go to bed. So I'm not an early bird, so I hit the gym super late, but I still put in the time. The bottom line is that if you want results, you want success in your health, fitness, work, love life, whatever, it's not going to happen by chance. It happens by choice. Okay? You have to make it your choice, your objective. You have to make it happen. Okay? No one else can do it for you. There's no supplements, there's no gimmicks, just you, the right mindset, the right plan and effort, and the consistency to show up and do what it takes. That is how it's done. Does it sound hard? Yeah, of course. Okay, of course. But this is the difference between those who can and those who can't. Yeah. If you're in the zone, you've got the mindset checked. Now you're in there. Now you understand. You want to do this and you want a science-based, proven way to get the physique, but you're not sure where to start. Then, of course, that's what we're here for, guys. Head over to our website at 3f.energy and check out our power plans. And once you're on track, trust the process, and it's just a matter of time before those results come your way. We hope you enjoyed this video, folks. Hit the like button if you did, subscribe, drop us a comment, and follow us on all our social media pages. We will see you all in the next video. Do not be late for your appointments. Laters, guys. Bye.